Morning YouTube, Bree here. If I look like crap, it's because I just woke up. Today's agenda, I'm gonna try and fit these wheels to the car and see if there's any overhang. I might need some flaring just out past the guard, just so the wheels don't poke out so far. Phew. There they are there. I've got to clean them up. Christmas was good. Enjoyed Christmas. I did a lot of shopping. I went to do a second video upload of shopping, but I left my phone in my pocket all day and forgot to record. Also, you'll notice I'll put the camera up higher away from me. I've got one of those selfie stick things to use. But I'll get back to it a little bit later on today when I get changed and start jacking up the vehicle. And I don't know where I'm going to do it. It's been raining up here, so everything's wet, soggy, muddy. So anyway, take it easy and I'll catch up with you a bit later. Bye. Okay, YouTube. Hello, Ollie. Ollie. Hello, Ollie. Ollie, Ollie, Ollie. Yeah, big. Oh, you're a good girl. Okay. I'm not just a clown, I've got a dog as a clown. Okay, so I don't think I really need flares. Yeah, that's what the wheels are. Well, that's what the wheel looks like anyway. From to alloy steel, and then from that one, that's the Suzuki Sierra, Suzuki Vitara. Round holes, triangular holes, alloy. You get the gist. I'll be back soon. Hey YouTubers, look, Bree went to the reject shop. What's in the reject shop? Well, engine degreaser, 3-in-1 for $2 Australian. Anyway, you're probably wondering why I'm hiding my face. Well, I'll get back to you, hold on. I'll turn it around. Because I'm puffing and panting, moving these rims, gotta use this degreaser. There's Ollie again. Ollie's my little offsider. And then I got the two brothers, Fat Boy and Spot, and Jody down there somewhere. Yeah, so I'm only going to do some degreasing, and then I'll get back to you a little bit later with some painting. As you can see, it's a sunny day today. It's there behind me there somewhere. I'll get back to you a bit later, soon-ish. Bye. Okay YouTube, I've given them a bit of a clean with the degreaser. As you can see, they're coming up a lot better than what they looked. Just going to wait for them to dry off a bit. I'll give them a bit of a wipe down with a clean cloth, and then I'll start giving them a new coat of paint. I usually start off with a gloss black as a base coat, and then I'll use a silver over the top, which I make the silver appear chromy. In Australia we call it kiwi chrome. That's what the New Zealanders out there use, silver paint, and it looks like chrome. Anyway, I'll get back to you a little bit later when I'm starting to prepare them for paint. Bye. Oh yeah, YouTube, brought myself a new toy. Got a siren on it. Actually, I'll turn it down. Siren first. And it's a speaker as well. Just another toy. Okay YouTube, Bree here again. What am I using? Australian export reduced enamel, interior, exterior. Because they're just going on a 4-wheel drive, they're going to probably get scratched anyway when I'm out in the bush. So this, I got 5 tins for 10 bucks. I've still got enough. I've got enough here to do a base coat on these rims. I'm just using the old trailer to get the wheels off the ground, and for the test. Hard to do taping, so I'll be back a little bit later. I'll do the black on all, and then I'll come back with the silver coat soon. Back soon. Okay, YouTubers, got 1 black one, 2 black ones, 3, 4, and if you turn that one around, it'll do the same. I'm just going to give them another quick coat over, second little coat, wait for it to dry a bit, and then I come in with a, if you can see it, clear plastic sheet that I've got, and I start with the outer rims and I move it around. So I don't really want silver paint all around the back tyres. I just let it go around on each of them, and then I come back and I do the main centres, and then with the overspray on the tyres here, I give them a coat of gloss black tyre finish, and then bolt them onto the vehicle. I'll be back a little bit soon with the silver paint on how it's going. I'll actually do it without doing a film. Same stuff. Australian export. Chrome. Doesn't look chrome, but another thing I brought YouTube was I actually got it made up while I was down there. There's a R.M. Williams Longhorn decal. This one's a 60 centimeter. I'm going to put that silver in colour, like the Suzuki. It's going to sit, bear with me, it's going to sit roughly about there. External, I paid $20 Australian from a markets. They printed it up for me while I was waiting. eBay selling for about 50 to 60, and my local auto parts dealer, they selling for about 70. So there's a huge markup. So if you're after decals for your vehicle, try the local markets or local printer. They might be able to point you in the right location instead of spending money that you can spend on something else. Anyway, back to this painting. Bye. Okay, YouTube, probably back again. Wow, look how shiny they are. They're like new wheels. That's amazing compared to that over there. So that's been done. What's next, I hear you're asking? Greater wet look shine. Covers more tyres per can. That's Australian export tyre look. Wet look tyre shine. Anyway, I'll give a coat of this. Give it a bit of a shake, I'll show you. Goes on just like a hose. Wet. Oh, it looks new. Back soon. Tyre shine added. Tyre shine. Wet look. And I reckon I look pretty new myself. Look good on this. Anyway, back soon. Okay YouTube, got the wheels on, all tightened up. Might have to put some air in them, but passenger front, passenger rear, with plenty of tread. Spare, which is now the same as the rest of them. Williams Longhorn, fitted. Driver's rear, and driver's front. And that's how the vehicle looks. All it needs now is pretty much a wash. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Just remember, comments, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.